of the International Ahmadiyya Peace Prize.
The Ahmadiyya Muslim Peace Prize for the Advancement of Peace is an international award that was launched in 2009. It is an award in recognition of an individual or an organization's contribution to the advancement of the cause of peace. On the occasion of our annual convention last July, the winner of the 2010 Ahmadiyya Peace Prize was announced, and it was Mr. Abdul Sattar Eidi of Pakistan. Mr. Eidi founded an amazing organization that started by dispensing free medicine and then went on to develop a maternity home, an emergency service initially to serve Karachi, but then to the whole of Pakistan and other countries. His wife, Mrs. Bilqis Eidi, is equally devoted to this work, and through their joint vision, the organization has flourished and saved hundreds of thousands of lives. A simple, humble man, to this day, despite being nearly 83 years of age, Mr. Eidi has a youthful spirit of sacrifice that drives him to serve humanity every single day. Just to give you an idea of his work, his organization has a fleet of 1,800 ambulances, 335 welfare centers, 28 marine rescue ambulances, shelter homes providing refuge for 7,500 people, animal shelters and free food kitchen in 20 cities, immunization centers and adoption centers, and it also has a well-established international organization having served in Pakistan, Russia, Lebanon, Bangladesh, Egypt, Bosnia, and the United States. The Eidi Foundation is a shining example of his success through sacrifice and determination for the love of God and service to humanity. We are honored to award the prize to Abdul Sattar Eidi Sahib. True to his lifelong service and due to the demands on his time from humanitarian work, as he is currently in Japan, Mr. Eidi is unable to join us tonight, but is currently has sent a message to this gathering tonight, and the award will be received by the head of the European section, Tariq Aman Sahib, on his behalf.
मुझे बहुत बड़ी खुशी हुई है कि मुझे इंसानी नाते जमात वालों ने मुझे समझा और मुझे अवार्ड देने का काम किया। मैं खुश हूँ कि कोई इंसानी नाते मुझसे ताल्लुकात करता है, तो मैं कोई तफरी को नहीं मानता, और मेरा काम तफरी भी नहीं है। मेरा काम इंसानियत का है, और इंसानियत सबसे बड़ा मजहब है। जब इंसान इंसान बन जाता है तो फिर कोई से भी ताल्लुकात नहीं रहते, सिर्फ डायरेक्ट अल्लाह से और इंसानियत से ताल्लुक होता है। मेरे यहाँ इतने लोग दाखिला होने आते हैं, मैं नहीं पूछता कि तुम्हारा मजहब क्या, मैं यूं समझता हूं कि इंसान है। दूसरा, ये पैदा बच्चे को मार के फेंकते थे, उसके लिए भी मैं अपील करता रहता हूं, मारो नहीं, वो भी एक इंसान है, उनकी जान है। और इन बच्चों को हमारे झूलों में डाल दो, लाखों लोग बे औलाद तरस रहे हैं, उनको हम दें। और आज अमन के लिए सबसे बड़ी बेहतर इंसानियत है, और इंसानियत के नाते इंसानों से प्रेम करें, मोहब्बत करें और इंसानियत फैलाने की कोशिश करें। मैं अहमदिया जमात का शुक्रिया करता हूं कि ये लोग मुझे इंसानी नाते एक अवार्ड दे रहे हैं, और ये अवार्ड इंशाअल्लाह इंसानों की भलाई के अंदर इस्तेमाल होगा। जब इंसानी नाते में काम करता हूँ तो मुझे खुशी होती है कि मैं अल्लाह को राजी कर रहा हूँ। आपने ये जो कदम उठाया है ये अल्लाह को राजी करने का काम है, और आप जो इंसानी नाते आपकी जमात के थ्रू जो काम कर रहे हैं, मैं अल्लाह से दुआ करता हूँ कि आपको अल्लाह कामयाब करे। शुक्रिया।
I would like to invite Mr. Tariq Awan to say a few words and to just inform the audience the award of the prize is accompanied by a cheque for £10,000.
Thank you very much. Honorable Leader of Jamaat Ahmadiyya Muslim, Mirza Masroor Ahmad Sahib, Members Parliament, House of Lords, Excellencies, Mayor, Councillors, Community Leaders, Media and distinguished guests, Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I would like to thank you, Mr. Ataulak, who properly introduced me about Jamaat Ahmadiyya work and humanity efforts. On behalf of ED Foundation, I would like to thank you for nominating Maulana Abdul Sattar Eidi for Peace Prize 2011. While I received Peace Award for Eidi Sahib, he is processing the aid for the support for the victim of tsunami in Japan. He continued to spread the message of peace and protect those who are vulnerable. I will take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of all those who national and international organizations, personalities who always protect the rights of the weakest. From healthcare to building homes for orphans and from social to educational, Eidi Sahib inspired the communities across the ethnic religions and national divides. His tireless efforts to reach to entire world community makes him one of the most effective human beings in the field of philanthropy. I believe he is a perfect model for every citizen of the world. Once again, let me thank you to all those who, especially Honorable Leader of Jamaat-e-Ahmadiyya Muslim, Mirza Masroor Ahmad Sahib, who helped organize this wonderful event. Wishing you a very good evening. Thank you.
I now have the honour of requesting His Holiness Hazrat Mirza Masroor Ahmad, the head of the worldwide